Good morning, student of Standard 5. In part 1, I have discussed about the fraction. What is a fraction? See this one. Fractions. Fraction represent parts of a whole number. What is that? See this one. My dear student, this is whole guava. What is this? Whole guava is there. Now half part I am going to do. This is knife. With this one I am going to cut. Now what is this called? Half part. 1 by 2. So now see this one. How can you represent? The whole guava by there. Right? This is your guava and you have done half part. So what is this called? Half part. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Or you can say half. So this is the fraction number. What is this? Fraction number. Now, not only that, what I am going to do? Again, half or half. See this one, half and half. So how many parts it became? How many parts is there? Together or together? 4 parts is there. Now second, what you have done? So this is guava, half part done, 1 by 2 done, again 1 by 2 done, again 1 by 2 done. How many parts is there? So this is 1 by 4, or what it is called? Quarter. What it is called? Quarter. Understood now? Or quarter. Now see this one, my dear student. Just I am giving types of fractions number. What is that one? Types of fractions number. My dear student, see this one. First I am writing like fraction. Like fraction. Like fraction. What is that? How many parts is this one? 4 parts is there. Now 1 you have given to your friend. What you will write? 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Now 2. Now how many there? 2. So 2. Or 1 more is 3. 3 by 4. Right? So since the denominator is same, it is called like fraction. A number, if the denominator is same, this is called, my dear student, this one is called numerator. What it is called? What is it is called? Numerator. By denominator. Denominator, please listen. And this is also called, what it is called? What it is called? Now a number, a fraction number can retain as A by B. What is this one called? A by B. Here, what is called A? A is called numerator. And what is this called? B. B is called denominator. Now understood? Means any number which is the form of numerator by denominator, it is called a fraction number. What it is called? Now like fraction. If the denominator is same, it is called like fraction. Like fraction. Now unlike I have discussed. Unlike fractions. Unlike fraction. So now different denominator is there. Now see this one. 4 part is there. Out of this one 3. So if I write 3, 1 by 3. What is this? 1 by 3. 2 by 7. 2 by 7. 5 by 9. 9. So these all are the example of unlike here. Denominator is not same. Denominator is not same. same. It is called unlike fraction. Understood now? Now proper fraction. Now proper fraction. Proper fraction. In this one, numerator is less than denominator. Just I am writing 3 by 4. Okay? 1 by 4. Okay? So these all are called proper fraction. I have discussed this thing. Fourth, improper fraction. Improper fraction. What it is called? In this one, numerator is more than denominator. Numerator is, now see this one, 4 parts is there. How many parts is there? 4 parts. And now more friends came. So from how we will get? This is called 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Not only that, you have only 4 parts and your friend came more. So this one can be 7 by 4. And now 9 by 4. 11 by 4. This means numerator is more than denominator. This one is called improper fraction. Now, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. What is this mixed fraction? So this improper fraction you can change into improper fraction, means whole number is also there and proper fraction also there. See this one 5 by 4 is there, so you can write it. When 5 we will divide with 4, so 1 is quotient, so 1 is there, 1 by 4. So 1 is whole number and 1 by 4 is proper fraction. So it is called mixed fraction. What it is called? Mixed fraction. Now 7 by 4. 7 by 4. My dear student, what you will do? 4 divided by 7. Then you will divide. Quotient is 1. 3 by 4. So 1 is here whole number. 3 by 4 is proper fraction. 9 by 4. 9 when you will divide with 4. So 9 divided by 4. 8 will come. 2 will come. And 1 by 4. Now, when 11 you will divide. 11 we will divide. So 2 as a whole number will come. And what is that? 8 plus 3. 3 will left. 3 by 4. Now understood? This is called improper fraction. This is called proper, improper and mixed. Understood now? Now I am coming on equivalent fraction. What is that one? What is this one? Equivalent. EQ. Equivalent fraction. Fraction. What is this? Equivalent. Equivalent. Equal means equal. Equal means equal. The numerator and denominator you are going to multiply with the same number. Number is going to increase, but their fraction number is not going to change. What is not going to change? Equivalent fraction 2 or more. 2 or more. 2 or more representing the same part, same part of a whole, same part of a whole are called equivalent. Equivalent fractions. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 6, 2 by, sorry, 1 by 2, not, I am writing 1 by 3, 2 by 6 and 3 by 9. What you are going to do, my dear student? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 means 1 into 1 by 3 into 1. What you are writing? 1 by 3. Now 2 by 6. 2 by 6, my dear student. So 1 by 3, you are going to multiply it 2. Numerator and denominator, it is 2 by 6. Now 3 by 9. So 1 by 3, you are going to multiply 3 by 3. What it is called? 3 by 9. These all are the equivalent fractions. These all are the example of equivalent fraction. Understood now? Now this one is, which one I have given? 5th up to 5th in video part 1 I have given, and 6 I am writing. Now 6 is clear. Now 7, unit fraction. My dear student, what do you mean by unit? Unit means 1. Unit means 1. If the numerator is 1, it is called unit fraction. Whatever the denominator, that is not the problem. What is there? Unit fraction. Unit fractions. Unit fractions. What is this called? Unit fraction. Fractions. Please, my dear student, unit fraction. What do you mean by unit fraction? Unit fraction. Fractions with 1 as a numerator. Numerator is called unit fraction. For example, please listen. For example, you can write it 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 7, sorry, 1 by 5 means numerator is here 1 by 100, 1 by 200, 1 by 107. These all are the example of means here numerator, what is called numerator is 1, having 1 as a numerator, it is called unit fraction. Understood now? Now my dear student, now how can reduce actually the fraction, how can you change into lowest term? Please listen. How can a fraction number is given and how can change? Please listen. How can be changed into lowest term or lowest fraction. My dear student, just I am writing 10 by 20. Please listen. 10 by 20. What did you write? 1 0 cancel. So lowest term 1 by 2. Now second, 32 by 124. My dear student, how can you change? Please listen. First, both the number 8 divisible by 2. So when 30 will divide with 2, it will become 16, and it is when Then 124 you will divide with 2. What it will come? 62. Okay. Again then you will write divide by 2. So 16 divided by 2, 8 will come, and 62 you will divide, it will come 31. 8 by 31. Is there any number you can divide? No. So it is called the lowest fraction. Means you can simplify also this way. Now another example I am giving. 260 by 552. My dear student, how can you change into lowest term or lowest fraction? So see this one. What you will do? 1 0 cancel with 1 0. Both the number 26 and 52 going to divide with 2. So when you will divide, it will become 13 and it will become 26. Okay. Now it is not divisible by 1. 1 is divisible by every number. Not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 3. 13 is a prime number you have studied. So 13 will divide with 1 and 13. Then you will divide 26 with 13. 2 will come. So what is there? 1 by 2 is your answer. Now my dear student, I have given about the fraction, types of fraction. If you have problem, please contact me. Thank you.